Welcome, and thank you for viewing this brief demonstration of LSO Mobile, a new mobile app for users of SAP's Enterprise Learning Solution. Learn to Perform is an SAP education, services, and business by design partner, and we are experts with the SAP Enterprise Learning Solution. Learn to Perform was the first and is one of SAP's most experienced LSO partners, with over 30 projects since 2002. We provide our SAP clients with services for any stage of the LSO project lifecycle, including program development, project scoping, implementation services, and other related products and consulting services, including systems integrations and custom and packaged LSO enhancements, including mobility solutions. This demonstration is shown from the perspective of a user who holds the role of a learner. During the upcoming months, Learn to Perform will be releasing additional versions of LSO Mobile for use by managers, administrators, and instructors. It is our pleasure to provide a free copy of this mobile application developed by Learn to Perform to be enjoyed by LSO users under the terms and conditions of its use. This demonstration of Learn to Perform's LSO Mobile was developed using an Android phone emulator to simulate the functionality found in SAP's Enterprise Learning Solution. The application runs in the mobile unit's browser, so the first step for the user is to open the browser and navigate to the website and enter their login credentials. For demonstration purposes, the user has already logged into LSO Mobile and created a bookmark in their browser. Clicking the bookmark will take the user directly into the LSO Mobile homepage. Once onto the LSO Mobile homepage, the user will be presented with three menus: the main menu, the course-related menu, and the support menu. The support menu is where LSO Mobile users can find the help and support that will enable them to utilize the application's functionality to its fullest potential. Let's first take a look into the main menu. The first option is Messages and Notes. This is basically an inbox where users will receive messages from their training administrator related to either their current or planned learning activities. The types of messages include, but are not limited to, confirmation of bookings, course cancellations, notifications of required courses, and changes to planned activities. Here we can see that there is one message in the message box that relates to a mandatory activity that has been assigned. Clicking on the arrow icon will allow us to view the message. This particular user's inbox contains one message. It is a message informing them that they have a mandatory course that they must complete. In this case, financial accounting and reporting. The details of the message can be viewed by clicking on the arrow icon. This message provides a complete course description of the mandatory course that has been assigned to the user. The user can view the description before returning to their inbox. The next option provided on the main menu is Pre-Bookings. As can be done in the SAP Enterprise Learning Solution, LSO Mobile users can view a list of their pre-bookings. This provides a list of instructor-led learning activities for which a user has been pre-booked, but for which no firm dates have been set for the learning activity. In this case, we can see that this user has been pre-booked for 2 learning activities. Clicking on the arrow icon will open up the list of pre-bookings for viewing. The pre-bookings page shows the list of pre-booked activities. This user is pre-booked for a strategic sales planning course and a quantitative analysis and decision-making course. Clicking on the arrow icon will allow the user to view a full description of the course. The third and final option found on the main menu is Activities. This menu option allows users to view learning activities for which they have been firmly booked. In this case, the user has 2 activities. Clicking on the arrow icon will list these activities. Here we have 2 learning activities for which the user has been booked and may already be in progress. The first learning activity is a web-based activity and the second is an instructor-led course. Clicking on an arrow icon will allow the user to view the details of that activity. Here, the user can view a detailed activity description. The first thing that they will notice is the message informing them that they have already been booked in this activity. Scrolling down, there is a detailed description of the course content. Scrolling down further, the user can view detailed information about their learning progress with respects to this particular activity. They can view their completion progress, shown as a percentage, their current status in the course, also shown as a percentage, and their completion status informing them if the activity has yet to be passed. At the bottom of the page, the user has the option to launch the learning content on their mobile device, and they also have the option to cancel their booking in this particular activity. The second menu on the page is the course-related menu. Just as in the SAP Enterprise Learning Solution, this menu provides LSO Mobile users with the functionality to search the course catalog and book themselves into learning activities. Clicking on the arrow icon will open up a search window to allow browsing of the course catalog and potentially booking a learning activity. In this example, a user is interested in booking a course named SAP Server User Authorization Admin. So they will enter the search keywords SAP Server and then click the search button. The search results return the web-based course in which the user was interested. The user can click on the arrow icon to view the details of this course and possibly make a booking. Here, the user can see that they have passed the prerequisites check and that they are eligible to book this course. To book this course, the user must simply click on the Book This Course button at the bottom of the page. A message informing the user that their booking was successful is displayed for confirmation. This brings the user back to the main menu where they can continue to perform additional tasks with the LSO mobile application developed by Learn2Perform. If you would like to learn more about the LSO mobile application, you can download the app for free by visiting learn2perform.com and clicking on the LSO mobile link on our homepage.